Huh? Why? What? Oh. Hey, mate. Mom, what are you doing? Did we change seats? Like your new vehicle? I don't know. Shoot it back, speed. Yeah. Okay. You can do it. You got this shit. All you had to do was get the feel, huh? And I was freaking out for nothing. Certainly hope so. Look, Mike, look where we're at, buddy. Oh. Well, yeah, of course I'm gonna go in. You go ahead. This is straight away.
They give Mama the feel of the front seat.
Not just that. I ain't gonna post this on the internet. Right, well, so yep. Right. Ooh.
Are you going in or what?
Yeah, I was just admiring you behind the steering
The
wheel.
unlock button.
Which one's that?
This one, I got it. Be right back. To do the radio without, messing with the battery actually, is like that, and then do like that right there, and it'll stay on. And yeah. Ooh, sorry.
No, we need the car.
I'll be right back. He almost backed up on me.
Man, yank me everywhere, why don't you?
Well, he almost fucking stopped. Do it again. Do it again. Show the world how fucking
Fucked up we are.
yeah.
Can we at least get that bread?
Yeah.